I have a great joke for you. What do you get when you take the sun and divide its circumference by its diameter?
I don't know.
Pie in the sky. Hectares, hectares, hectares. Funny, right?
You know how bad at math I am. I don't get it.
I don't understand. Didn't you just buy some applications that would help you through your tunes?
Actually, those programs haven't been so helpful. I need something to help me with my homework.
You should try Microsoft Math. I've been using it for a long time, and you know how good I am with algebra.
What is that?
It's a program that helps students in concepts like algebra, trigonometry, and even physics. I use it all the time to help solve my math problems.
Why didn't you tell me earlier?
Now you will finally get my jokes.